Updating your credit card on Udemy Business is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment information is current. Step 1. Login. Access your Udemy Business account by visiting the website and entering your login credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option, usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. Select Payment Information. In the Account Settings menu, look for the section labeled Payment Information or Billing. Click on this option to view your current payment details. Step 4. Update credit card details. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRUP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new credit card information, ensure you save the changes. Look for a confirmation message to verify that your payment details have been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily keep your payment information up to date on Udemy Business. Regularly checking your account settings can help avoid any interruptions in service.